just answering yet another email. Danny, does this work in Canada? I understand the internet, right? You see one of my YouTubeinator videos and you think, I live in Montreal. Will this work here? Well, what you should do is watch more videos, become edumacated. Perhaps you'll see that I am doing this, have done it in 29 countries, including all over Canada. So I'm about to phone up one of my clients who's been working with me for years doing this. Let's see what happens.
Hi, Jerome here.
Jerome, my name is Danny. I'm interested in talking about leasing some of your space. There's a coin laundromat here.
Yes.
This is not a out of the blue type of call, first and foremost. I own a few stores in 3 provinces, and my partner and I, we were in communication with the previous operator of the laundromat.
You've had years to get this place back on its financial feet, and you haven't done it. Waste, waste, waste.
And the thing is, for me, I'm always looking for space that has infrastructure, gas, water, electric. We look to lease the space from the landlord and then put some new equipment in, run it a little bit differently. You know, we do our stores 24 hours, et cetera. And, you know, knowing you, if it's not something you're interested in, great, fantastic, continue to operate it. But there's always a tipping point, right, between what you're earning with the laundry versus your other tax benefits for a cash business versus, you know, collecting the right amount of rent for a laundromat. And then, you know, that's my offer. It's a very real thing. We've been in the store several times, and, you know, we see a big opportunity here. If the rent is appropriate, we'd like to run another successful store. So maybe the timing is right. Maybe it'll be 6 months or 6 years from now. Want to put a bug in your ear, make you understand that this is something we are interested in doing. If any of that makes any damn sense.
Okay. Yes, it does make sense. I'm just driving at the moment. If you want to shoot me a quick personal email address, and I'll get back when I get back to my office.
Yeah, I'll send you an email. I'll make sure my cell phone is in there, and I'll CC my partner. We'll even put some pictures of our existing stores in there. Give you an idea of what we do. And good, I mean, you know, drive safe. We'll talk about it. Please understand, I can't make you rich with the rent. You know what a laundromat can earn.
Professor Quigley's here to pick up his severance check.
Well, you inform Professor Quigley that we don't give out severance checks anymore.
But we always give out severance checks.
But we don't anymore.
We just hope to earn a bit more with newer equipment and different procedures. All right, good.
Okay.
I'm Danny. I'll send you an email right away. What's your email address?
At gmail.com.
Brilliant. I'm Danny D'Angelo. I got the email first time. My partner, Wade, will be CC. Yeah, let us know. We can talk anytime. Just send me a text. Thanks, Jerome. All right, ciao.
All right, thank you.
Well, first and foremost, he picked up the telephone.
What a surprise, eh? That's shocking.
Well, here's the thing. He didn't say no. Right.
Yeah, I noticed that too.
My thinking, I'm a negative Nelly, right? I'm a glasses fell off the table and smashed in 1,000 pieces kind of guy. Forget about half empty, half full. And I'm just thinking, well, why would this guy want to run it? Well, maybe he does want to run businesses for profit. And he runs this place with a push button buzzer and secret password. And like you said, $50 to the right guy, you can do your laundry. That's not how you run a laundromat. This is the first. No, I think I have a video on YouTube about a private red rope laundromat back in the day. That wasn't the same one, was it? Was it?
I don't think so, no. This is all new. That's
yeah, somebody had a private laundromat, if you believe that. And I know there have been speakeasies made into laundromats, et cetera, and vice versa. But he didn't say no. So he's a busy guy. I would say we get after this guy every other week and we keep on him. And, you know, if he's a profit guy, he's going to say, yeah, you know, I want to rent this. But I have to throw that caveat out there. We're not going to make you rich. I'm not calling you up to say, oh, I want to give you double what normal rent would be. No, I need to give you less.
No.
And if he's making $5,000 a month, first of all, he's not. But if he was,
and I can tell he's not.
Yeah, he should keep it. So, all right, keep a very close eye on it, Wade. We'll talk soon.
I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.